Hello and welcome to Florida State University. Today we're going to learn how to double check the last access a student had. We can do it going Full Result Center. Then if you see last access, this column will tell you the last access the student had to the course, not to Blackboard. So that way you know that they actually log in your course. What if you don't see this column? Easy. Just go to Manage, then look for Column Organization, look for Activity, and if you see that attendance is hide, just put it as show. Then submit, and now you will have last access. Very easy. Thank you so much. Hello and welcome to Florida State University. Today we're going to learn how to double check the last access a student had to your course. For that we're going to go to Full Result Center, and in the Full Result Center you will see an option that says last access. That is a full column that will tell you if the student logged in to the course, not to Blackboard. So you know that the student was actually in your course. If you don't see it, it's very simple to activate it. Go to Manage, Column Organization, and make sure that last access is Show. If it's Hide, just click on Shout Select Column, submit, and that way you will have access to this specific column. Thank you.